Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as interview tips as well as career guidance in my channel. If you have come first time in my channel, you can subscribe and you will get details of these placement related solutions in our channel. So you will be beneficiate from our channel. In today's video, I will discuss about Capgemini pooled off campus drive. They are hiring freshers. So it's a bulk hiring and BE, Tech, BCM, CME, Tech can apply for this job. So you need to carry on with this video at the end because I will discuss all these steps: how to register, what is the exam pattern, how will they decide, how to choose the candidate, selection of these candidates. So all these things I will discuss. So degree required is BE, Tech, BCM, CME, Tech. Lots of degree graduates are eligible for this drive. 2021 batch. They are targeting. Experience required is freshers. Working location will be across India: Bangalore, Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Pune, Chennai, Ahmedabad. So basically, the eligibility criteria should be graduating in 2021 or graduated in 2021, should have 60% or above in diploma, in graduation, aggregate of 7 semester, MC aggregate of 5 semester, MEM Tech. No percentage criteria for SSC and HSC score. So it's a very plus point that no percentage criteria is given for secondary and higher secondary. So many of the students are saying that we have less than 60%, how we will apply for this drive. So this is a very good news for those candidates. Qualification: MCA, BE, BTech, open for all the branches both in BE, BTech. Okay, so up to CSC to EC, electrical, ME, all these candidates are eligible. MEM Tech students must be only from the information technology, information science and computer science. You have to have good knowledge in English written and spoken communication skills. So must be open to relocate in the Capgemini location, work across different technology domain role, should be ready to work in different shifts also, should be open to signing a service level bond there. Candidate should not have more than 1 year of gap between the academic milestone and the academic milestone stages will be like 10th, 12th and post graduation. Candidate should not have any gap in the academic milestone like 10th, 12th degree. Taking 5 years versus 4 years to complete ME, BE, BTech is not eligible. Candidates who have taken degree after diploma should not have any gaps between diploma and degree. Okay, so in case of a candidate has appeared for 12th more than once, the candidature will be provided. Both the mark sheets are available with their academic score of 50% or more in the both attempts. So candidate should have not any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. Only shortlisted candidate will be invited for the test or the selection process. The entire selection process from test to interview will be done in virtual mode, so you need not to go to anywhere. Candidates will be responsible for arranging the required infrastructure for appearing the selection process. So basically 5 steps will be there. First will be your technical assessment pseudocode round. This is the selection process I am discussing now. Second step will be multiple choice question based on English communication test. Third will be game based aptitude test. Fourth is behavioral competency profiling. Fifth is the technical and HR interview. So first 4 steps are very much important. So you can share your doubts in the comment box, or you can let me know if you want some preparation tips or if you want some interview tips for Capgemini. You can let me know in the comment box. I will try to prepare for those videos. So I now discuss different important dates. So the registration is already started. So last date to apply is September 1st. Assessment will get scheduled starting from the second week of the September. So mostly you have 2 weeks for preparation. Only those candidates who have cleared the step 1 to step 3 round of the test assessment will be invited for the interview. The behavioral profiling module is for understanding the initiate profile for the candidate. Okay, so it is not a selection round, I'm mentioning once again. So please note, the receiving work style report does not confirm the clearance of the test assessment. Post registration in the tool, you need to apply for the job profile to participate in the event. So you can click on this apply link. It will redirect to the career website of Capgemini. There will get the detailed notification there. So as I have mentioned, the registration is already started. You have to click on register now. So the registration form will be open to you. So as they have mentioned, so after successful registration you have to apply in their portal also. So after registration you have to apply, like they're doing this examination through Superset platform. So you have to give your, you can once again go through here. So CTC will be mainly 3 lakh to 3.8 lakh per annum. So it's a very good salary at starting of your career. So you can click on apply now through Superset. So you have to give your email address here. Then the form will be open to you. Actual form will be open to you. So this is actually main step. So you have to click on register and apply. Then you have to fill the basic details, your contact details, your educational details, your work experience or internship details, your documents if you have, like voter ID for identification, for a mark sheet you have to upload few mark sheets also. So these are the main steps. Please let me know if you need any help anywhere in this registration process. I will be guiding you. Please share your doubts in the comment box, and don't forget to share if you want some preparation tips related video for next. I will surely prepare for those around tips to you. So I will definitely prepare those videos. Please let me know, and don't forget to share this news with your friends as it's a pool of campus drive. So share this news and hit the subscribe button to keep us motivated. Hit the like button. Take care guys. I will meet in next video with new job updates.